One more. Look at straight and then look at camera. Love it. Ooh, I like the motion. Hold up, that's good. One more, hold up. The other one, yeah, stare, yep. And then stare at this door, And then stare at the camera, just freestyle, yep. Love it. Oh, wait, hold up. Slightly chin up. Yep.
Maybe I can put it on my table.
Oh, yeah. Put. Oh, wait, that's good. Love it. Let me show you the feedback.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
So good.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
Also, I can put my headlight.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh my gosh.
Wow. So
Yeah,
nice.
it's like a movie. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Play around. Yep. Hold up. Portrait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Yep. Fixing here. Freestyle. Yep. Fixing. Hold up.
Oh.
Can you do the here? And then yep. Posing and then smile. Yep. Love it. Lifestyle. Yep. Love it. And then both hand on the table. Yep. Oh wait. Hold up. Love it. And then, yep. Straight back also, another one, yep. Oh, wait, that pose is good. Hold up. I'm gonna across the table so that it's more movie style. Hold up. And then sit back, so more space between the table. Yep. Oh, wait, hold up.
Also,
oh, yeah.
I can do my headlight.
Oh, yeah. Yep, however you feel comfortable. Hold up. One more. Hold up. One more. Slightly tilted. Yep. Hold up. Let me change your angle. Oh, wait. The stare to the camera. Suddenly stare. Yep. Hold up. Sudden stare.